Introducing Aviva, a wafer-style retrofit trim from Keystone. Designed for simple installation in canned units. Just twist into the socket and attach the wiring to our Quick Connect E26 adapter. It features a spring clip to hold the fixture in place. Perfect for a wafer aesthetic in either residential or commercial projects. It's equipped with both Power Select and Color Select, with 3 adjustable power outputs and 5 selectable CCT, 5000, 4000, 3500, 3000, and 2700 Kelvin. The Aviva wafer is available in 3 styles: Flush Slim, Regressed Smooth, and Regressed Baffled. And 2 sizes, 6 inches and 4 inches. They're also available in a black trim finish, enhancing design flexibility for your project. It's Energy Star rated and T20 and T24 code compliant. The Aviva wafer is part of the full Aviva downlight family from Keystone, including regressed, gimbal, and a dedicated contractor prime model, all available in white and black finishes. It's a stylish downlight that can be installed in seconds. That's Keystone. Light made easy.